Hello people. Alright, today I would like to share with you some tips on how to generate ideas for your speaking test, specifically for task A. Alright, a lot of students are worried that they say that they are not sure how to explain their ideas. They're not sure what else to say, what else to explain about certain ideas or certain points. Alright, now why don't we take a look at this question? This is one of the MUET past year questions. The situation says, getting the job that you want requires effort and planning. What preparation can you make as a student? Alright, so please remember, number one thing is for you to read the situation very carefully. Alright, because from the situation, it helps you to give the definition on the idea. For example, like this one, we have the word student. Pay attention at the word student. Now, it is important for you not to give a very narrow definition for this word. A very narrow definition means you only define students as those people studying in a college like matriculation college. Alright, even though it is true, but this is what I meant earlier when I said it's very narrow, so it limits your scope of explanation. Alright, now if you look further, you look outside the college, you will see other people that we can classify as students. For example, those who are at school. And for those who are at school, you could further divide these students into two different levels. The first one, the primary school level. The second one is the secondary school level. All right. And well, of course, we have the university students. We also have, this college could be grouped together with the university students. We could also have another classification of students where the adults who continue studies after when or while they're still working. All right, but I think these three classifications as students are enough. Okay, now let's look at the task. Your task says you should obtain good academic results. Obtain good academic results. So now you see or not, when you have three classifications of these students, you could further explain about good academic results at primary level. Okay, so you could explain about the exam, what exam that people at primary school level is taking, which is so important, and say you have to define what is good result at that particular exam, and why is it important for you or for any student to get a good result. All right, now besides that, for secondary school level, we have or mention what kind of exam that is so important for the students, and what good result means, how good is good, and what kind of implications that would be brought about by getting good results. Okay, and then lastly, you could talk about the college level. So if it is the matriculation college, so we have one exam which is PSPM that everyone is taking. So mention about the PSPM exam and what do we mean by getting good grades or good results in PSPM, and also why. So you connect it with the everything that you mention here. You connect it with the ability or the opportunity that you could pursue studies at the university level, in the area of the job that you have been aiming for the whole of your life. All right, and later on, of course, you need to talk about what job and how all these are connected to getting the job, or it's a kind of a preparation for you to get to the job that you want. So if you see all these, I'm sure that you could this kind of these points could help you continue talking for the whole of 2 minutes. Okay, all right, so again, let me stress the importance of defining the subject. All right, so it is very important for you to read the situation, and from the situation you set your definition. Do not limit your definition to be so narrow, because it would be limiting your scope or perspective in for you to explain your ideas. All right.